In this video, I will explain how to create a box and a whisker plot based on revenue data. This data have a star schema modeling. In other words, it includes a fact table. Here I'm gonna highlight the keys of the fact table, and these other three are the dimensions, the measures. And for the dimension tables, there are also an ID and dimensions. I'm gonna highlight these two and this one too. And for the dimension date, there are two keys. I'm gonna highlight those two. Then I'm go to Tableau desktop and open the Excel file. The Excel file, I'm gonna load it. And as you can see, there are 5 tables that you can join to the fact table to use the joins. I'm gonna create those relationships like dragging and dropping. All the tables related to the fact table, as this is a star schema. Then I'm going to sheet 1 and I'm gonna use the procedure standard. Then I'm gonna go in rows and date name, and I'm gonna put it as column. Then I'm gonna choose box and whisper plot, and I'm gonna try to deaggregate the measure, but it's not enabled, so I need to do something else. That is not relationship. That's the difference in between joins and relationship. Then I'm gonna delete this relationship. And I'm gonna do the actual joins with the fact table, like manually. I'm gonna join with the dimension date. As you remember, I said that there have 2 keys. So I'm gonna click here and do the inner join with the one that says date key. As you can see, the table is now populated, so it's good. I'm gonna do the join with the dimension employee. Is good. I'm gonna close this, and then with the dimension facility, then with the dimension patient, and with the dimension procedure. As you can see below, the table is populated, so we are good to go. Let's go to sheet 1 and repeat the process. Now there is a difference because we have a gray line with the measure names below, so I'm gonna choose procedure standard price and I'm gonna drop in rows, and gonna choose date name, and I'm gonna put in column, click in box and whisker plot, and then I'm gonna try to uncheck the aggregate measures. Our whisker plot. Seeing this, you can identify the outliers. From the lower whisker is the 25% of the data, lower whisker is the minimum, lower hinge is the 25% of the data, median is the 50% of the data, the upper hinge is 75% of the data, and the upper whisker is the maximum of the data. Thank you.